Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to forget a wireless network on your Windows 11 computer. This is actually really easy to do. We want to go to the Windows Start button, go to Settings. Then on the left side of the screen, let's go to Network and Internet. Then when we're under this page, we want to go to where it says Manage Known Networks. So we actually have to click into Wi-Fi first to do this. And then we'll have the option Manage Known Networks right here, Add, Remove, and Edit Networks. So let's go to this. And then here are my connections. So I was away on vacation and I was connected to a bunch of different wireless networks at one point in time. Like I can't remember, the Holiday Inn, I guess. I don't need this anymore, so we can go to this and go to Forget. And then here is some random one. So I will never go to these locations again, so I can just forget all these. And now I only have the 3 at my house. So it's very easy to go ahead and just forget those under Manage Networks. And then you can go to Show Available Networks to see the ones in your area. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.